let us start now. Okay, so once again, good morning. So I cannot show to you guys your final score in midterm exam yet since I haven't checked your midterm exam yet. So maybe next week or 2 weeks from now. Okay. But anyway, before you proceed to week 7 and 8, does anyone has the clarification so far with your midterm exam? Well, except for the solution that I'll be giving to you guys soon. Questions or clarification regarding with the questions?
None, sir.
None, just give me a thumbs up so I would know that you don't have a question. All right, see then. Okay, so let us now proceed to your week 7 and 8. So in week 7 and 8, we have two topics. We have the Thevenin's theorem and then the Norton's theorem. So let's go over to the module overview first. Let's change this one into 7 and 8. Okay, so in here, of course, we're going to define the Thevenin's theorem, define where and how to use the Thevenin's theorem. The same. Actually, they're actually pretty much define Norton's theorem and then define where and how to use Norton's theorem. So this is another kind of techniques for, let's say, formula, or I don't know, maybe you could say another theorem or theory that you can use to simplify another circuit, let's see, from parallel to series into this kind of circuit. Okay, Thevenin's circuit or the Norton's circuit. So here are the list of topics. Of course, the introduction, where and how to use, and then examples of it. Same, Philip Norton's introduction of it, and where to use and how to use it, and then examples of its Norton's for Norton's theorem. So we have two modules for this one, and this is quite incomplete. Let me just update this one. So we have 3 supplemental video for the Thevenin's and then another 3 supplemental video for the Norton's theorem. What happened? That's because I changed the names. That is why nothing's showing up. Okay, so there we go. So we have 2 modules, 6 supplemental videos, so 3 for the Thevenin's theorem, and then another 3 for the Norton's theorem. And then we have 1 reading material right here, so you can check this one later on. And then we have here the references where I've got my presentation. So mostly they come from these electronic tutorials or all about AstroGates. So those 2 sites are one of the most detailed tutorials when it comes to electrical circuits. Okay, so that's it for the module overview, and you guys can check this one out later on. Here is a module for the module 7 and 8. So we have 22 slides for the superposition, Thevenin's theorem method, and we have 21 slides for the Norton's theorem. Okay, so you guys can check them out later on. And then we have here some practice exercises, of course. And then as you guys can see, I already published your Thevenin's quiz and Norton's theorem quiz. Okay. So their due date will be on July 11. So you guys have 2 weeks from now to finish or do those quizzes. And then we have 1 case study, okay, which is also due on July 11. And yeah, we now only have 4 remaining modules. So we'll maybe able to split this one into 2. So we have 9 to 10, which is for the module 9 and 10, and then week 11 to 12, which is for the Neumann's theorem, and then the maximum power transfer theorem. So what I did last year is I did combine them into one module or one module. But we'll see. Maybe 2 weeks from now, I'll update this one and separate this one into two. Okay. So all in all, you still have 4 remaining modules before your final exam. Okay. So for now, just focus on studying about Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem. And or I will forget. So of course, we have here the pre-made video of the Thevenin's and Norton's theorem. So this is already a two video, which is discussing the two module. So for the Thevenin's theorem, it's up to 52-minute video, and then 52 minutes onwards. Okay, that's around 30 minutes, 34 minutes. So this will discuss the Norton's theorem. Okay. So yeah, just check this one out later on. So we did have a correction right here, but I already edited this one. Is that one? So in here, this one should be Norton's resistance. And I think I edited this one. Yeah, there you go. So instead of Thevenin's, this one should be Norton's resistance. Okay, so those are just the labels for these Thevenin's resistance, Thevenin's voltage, and then the argument. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's meeting. Any questions or clarifications so far? What about the others? Do you guys have a question aside from Mr. Gu? None? Okay, so if ever that you guys will have a question, maybe tomorrow or the next day, upon reading or upon watching the pre-made video, just let me know, okay? So I can correct that one and then I can edit that one. Okay. So if you guys don't have any questions or clarifications anymore, then that's pretty much it for today's meeting. So as always, thank you guys for coming. A blessed day, y'all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye. Thank you too, and